Bailey, what's the matter? What's the matter, Jess? Huh? God, that's weird. Bailey, what's the matter with you? Cassie, you guys know you're not supposed to be on the couch. Cassie? What? What's the matter, girl? Huh? What's the matter? What is it, Bailey? What? What's it? Huh? What's it? Bailey? What's the matter? Huh? God, that is so weird. Cassie? Are you a good spirit? Getting chills up my arm. Who's here with me? Can you make yourself known? Ooh, I got really bad chills and goosebumps. Look at my arm. Just look at my arm. Can you see the goosebumps? The hairs are just standing straight up. That is really, really creepy. Make yourself known again. Please. God, that is so weird. Oh, they've never fought like that. What's the matter, Bailey? Cassie, what is wrong with you? God, that is... Wow. What is the matter with you? You're just looking all around, going crazy? Bailey, what's wrong with you? Could it be a spirit of one of my animals? Make themselves known? God, what is wrong? Bailey? There's nothing here. Will you quit? You're really scaring me. What is it, baby girl? What is it? What is it? Nothing in the kitchen. What's the matter, Jess? I don't like going in that hallway there. There's the hallway that I don't like that goes in there. God. Guys, stop. Okay, we're gonna end this because I don't know what's wrong with these guys.